Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and wheat trading lower while beans ended the day higher. They're flip-flop this morning. So far you've got corn and wheat higher while beans are lower. Beans were helped out and supported yesterday due to concerns over heat going on in South America and Argentina right now. That provided a little bit of a weather rally. There's really not a whole lot of weather premium built into this bean market right now. So any little scare we get like this, we can quickly go from down like we were from the morning break to up like we ended the day yesterday, over 10 higher. So really supported the bean market right there. It does remain a little nervous due to the fact that there are concerns over some potential cancellations out of China. However, we haven't seen any cancellations yet, and it's not likely we'll see any until after the first of the year, if we do get any at all. So that's something to keep your eye on. As far as corn goes, still a little bit of concern over the GMO issue over in China. Worries of canceled cargoes, DDGs getting rejected, so that's got the corn market on edge here for a little bit. As far as wheat goes, not a whole lot of news out of the wheat market right now. The market remains short, and it technically is oversold, but there's such a glut of supply in the world right now that there's really not a whole lot of need for the market to trade much higher due to the fact that we do have so much wheat on hand. So as far as data that we got yesterday, we got export shipments, we also got NOPA crush. If you want those, head over to grainanalyst.com. They will be in the daily report there for you to take a look at. So other than that, that's all we've got today. Moving forward, one of the things we'll get tomorrow is we'll get Informa's latest estimate on planted acreage for 2014-15. So a lot of the trade will be interested to see what they have to say on that. We'll get that tomorrow morning. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.